Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI'S.com here. I hope everybody's having a great weekend. Thank you very much for joining another weekly edition. My top stocks to watch for the coming week. Next week we have CPI, PPI, FOMC decision. Busy week. So without any further ado, like, subscribe, share with friends. Let's see the charts. 30 names on my watch list for the coming week. First is CAT Caterpillar. I want to see long continuation above the 240. Then we will have 255, 267 to the upside. Overall, Caterpillar 2 weeks bouncing off the 207, looking good. But our alert is the 240 to the upside. CF. We have this trend line holding the lower lows, but we have previous week we had a doji of a trend line. Doji of a trend line is the most significant signal of what seems to be a bounce. So now we are looking for a continuation above 69.70 towards 77.70. Our trigger will be 2 days closing above 69.50. CNC, double bottom scenario of the 61 area. Let's see continuation above 70.7 or 71. Then we have 73, 77, and maybe all the way towards 88. Follow price, use Fibonacci levels and trend lines as your roadmap for future price action. If you want to take your trading journey to the next level, check the links in the description below. Stop following others. Get all the tools on the technical side and on the mental side, the psychology behind trading, and how to become profitable, consistent trader. We have 60 minutes crash course. We have the one-on-one live mentorship. We have the Fibonacci online program. 6 hours, 49 lessons, which will give you lifetime access, support, guidance, all Discord channels. Both programs, one-on-one live and the online course, will gain you this lifetime access. Check the links in the description below. CPT is next. Trend line, we have some kind of a double bottom scenario of the 98. I want to see 2 or 3 days closing above this trend line, above the 114 to the upside. Then we have 124 and 133.50. DXCM, you know this name because we have been following this name for the past 3 or 4 weeks, still waiting for a break above and close above the 125. As you can see, 125 since October of 2022, very tough resistance. In my opinion, once this level will break to the upside, at least 2-3 days above it, we are going towards the 166. 114 to the downside is our risk for now. But everything you see in here on my channel and in this video is for educational purposes only. Never follow anyone on social media, paid or free services. Follow to get ideas, never follow blindly. Ford, F is the ticker, finally breaking above this trend line, above the 12. Now, next will be 1470, continuation above it, in my opinion, 1640, and then 1824. Very interesting price action on Ford. Let's see next week where Ford will take us. We have the CPI, PPI, FOMC decision. Very volatile week ahead of us. So manage your risk, because risk management is the only thing we as traders have full control of. Nothing more, nothing less. Risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. FTNT, double top scenario, 72 area, very tough resistance. I'm waiting for a break below 64, and then we will take our short with 70 as our risk to the upside, and then each and every level that will break to the downside, we will add to this position, managing our risk according the Fibonacci levels. HRL, interesting price action. We have a double bottom scenario of the 38. I'm waiting for a break up above closing 2-3 days above the 41, 42 area. Then next resistance will be the 43. Above it, in my opinion, we are going towards 48 area. ICE 110, very tough resistance, but we can see higher lows. I'm waiting for a break above, closing above the 110. Then we will take our long position with 105 to the downside as our risk, following price to the upside 116, 125 and 137. All we have to do, sit and wait for price to let us know and show us where it's going next. JKHY, double bottom of the 145, long above 159 to the upside. Then we have 164, 167, above 167 in my opinion, and once again it's only my opinion, we have 184 to the upside, and you can clearly see also here we have trend line. So above 158, this trend line together with this 168 will be a very tough resistance. Even this trend line together with the 164, above it, bulls will gain enough power to go all the way towards 183. MTCH match group. Look at this long-term, very long-term, since October of 2021. Steep downtrend, 2 weeks, closing above this trend line. Let's see where are we heading next. 43.60, above it, in my opinion. 454 is next. Follow price, use levels as your guide for future price action. And if we are on long position, Fibonacci will help you for the next levels of resistance. Check the links in the description below. We have numerous programs that you can choose from to become your own indicator. We have the 60 minutes, we have the Fibonacci online, we have the one-on-one live, we have the Fibonacci Academy playlist, which is free, we have the newsletter, we have the podcast. We have everything that a trader needs to become their own indicator. Stop following others. Technical side, psychology behind trading. We also have the psychology behind trading ebook. All you have to do is check the links in the description below. WRK West Rock Company, double bottom. We have many double bottoms. This one of the 27. Now let's see continuation above 31 towards this purple trend line. Above this purple trend line, in my opinion, 40 will be next. Crocs, broadening formation at its best. Lower lows, higher highs. Now 2 consecutive dojis off this lower trend line. Now we have bounce to the upside. We can take Fibonacci, and Fibonacci will let us know where is the next resistance. As we can see, 110 is the support. Next resistance, next very strong resistance will be the 126, 127 to the upside. Above it, we are going 150 and retest this purple trend line to the upside. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. Until the next video, stay safe.